Wunmi mọ̀ tún ti ju bọ́ọ̀bù ọ̀rọ̀ míì síta o ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ mọ̀ tún súnmọ́ bí ìkẹjẹ́ àjọyànnà náà ẹ̀ ṣe rí kí ló dé tó fi dàbí ìgbà wípé ojúmọ́ kan sórí kan láṣà máa gbọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ikú tó pa mohbad yìí àfi bí ìgbà wípé mohbad ṣàǹfínà máwọn kan pé kán ṣàmọ kàṣáá ní gbogbo ìgbà ẹ wò bẹ́ẹ̀ sì làwọn abiyamọ kan bíi Yeye Kudi wọn máa dákẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o wọ́n níṣẹ́ orí òdodo làwọn wà àwọn ó sì make sure wípé àwọn rí justice fún mohbad ni ẹ wò Yeye Kudi ṣe analysis yìí nínú fídíò tó wà níbi tí mo fẹ́ fi hàn yín báyìí wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé wa wípé kí ni ìdí tí Wunmi fi ń dá wa padà sẹ́yìn tí ò fi jẹ́ ká ní ìlọsíwájú lórí ọ̀rọ̀ kéèsì yìí tó bá mọ̀ nǹkan kan lélẹ̀ tó fi sọ pé àwọn kan ló ṣe kinní kan àwọn kan ló ṣe kinní kan kó wulẹ̀ jáde síta kó wá sọ fún wa gbangba wípé kó dárúkọ àwọn gangan wípé ká lè mọ̀ ibi tá à ń dojú ìjà kọ gangan. tí ẹ bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń wò mí fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ Digi Naija Television rí ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa tẹ subscribe button tó wà lábẹ́ fídíò yìí ẹ like fídíò wa gbogbo èrò ọkàn yín ẹ máa fi sí comment kẹ̀dẹ̀ máa share fídíò yìí kó máa lọ káàkiri ẹ ṣé púpọ̀. Yeye Kudi ṣe analysis write up tí Wunmi ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jù sí orí Instagram story ẹ̀ láìpẹ́ yìí òní kòpẹ́ yìí ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe analysis yìí ìjìnlẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ sì wà nínú àwọn nǹkan tí Yeye Kudi sọ nínú fọ́nrán fídíò yìí ẹ wò ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbé síta báyìí fún yín ká jọjọ wò.
Wunmi wrote a write up for all of us and sent it to the world, meaning it's a public thing. Thank you so much. Now, most wife has this to tell us. They silenced my husband by spreading rumors that he was on drugs. Please. I thought we have gone past this stage. Please. Listen to most wife. I personally thought we have gone past this stage. And the reason is, in the beginning, when most wife sent on her story on Instagram, I think, it was something like this. If you remember. So they silenced my husband by spreading rumors that he was on drugs. Who are the people that silenced your husband? And now they have been targeting me by releasing a voice note I recorded a few years ago for medical purposes. Now, is more now responding to the public regarding the voice note that was played at Brekete. Remember, many of us had asked. In fact, a lot of people overlooked that voice note. I think it was VD, very dark black man. Sorry, I don't know if he's very black, very dark. Anyone you shall know the guy and the macho guy. That guy, I think he was the one that actually laid emphasis. And that voice note was what erupted DNA. That voice note was what erupted DNA. And this was after Gistlover had exhausted his or her accusation that it was alleged that it was Naira Marley, Sam Larry, and Primeboy via Sam Larry via Naira Marley was the one that sent Primeboy to buy mohbad via jazz, that he used jazz. You understand? So these parts, and now they have been targeting me by releasing a voice note I recorded a few years ago for medical purposes. Remember, Karimo told us, she said that recording was released by Wunmi's friend who is jealous of her. I expected Wunmi to have put it there, and my best friend, because what Karimo said was that Wunmi kept this voice note with the friend to keep. Then she released it to the world because she's jealous of Wunmi. I thought we've gone past this stage. Do you understand? I do not expect that it is now, over 5 months, that Wunmi will then say, and now they have been targeting me by releasing a voice note I recorded a few years ago for medical purposes. They are attacking our only child by labeling him as an illegitimate. Okay? In that area, I wouldn't lie and act as if I have not been seeing people saying that. I would not say it's not true. It started from Kemi Olun lawyer alleged a DNA was carried out in Dubai, followed by very dark black man who also said on seeing that voice note, he is of the belief that a DNA needs to be carried out on Liam. And this was how it escalated from their fans. It spread, it got to people like us. In the beginning, we were not interested. You understand? Until later, you know, Baba himself now said on BBC that since that's what people want, he too thinks it is okay that they carry out a DNA. You understand? So we are aware of that. They are attacking anyway. I don't know. That attacking is too harsh. Yes, libeling, but attacking, no. I do not think anybody have attacked Liam. Personally, I do not think so. But if it is true, God knows the truth. My husband was messed up mentally, psychologically, and physically. If he had continued speaking publicly about his challenges, perhaps he would still be alive today. That is nobody's fault here. That is the fault of you, him, if his parents, if they are aware. But that is not the public's fault. This is the reason why everybody is now asking Wunmi, what happened that took the life of your husband on the 12th or 11th of September? What happened? Because in all these parts, we here, we were not involved. We did not know anything. We are completely clueless. And that is the reason why, in the first place, Naira Marley, whom Gist Lover said, not a time as Wunmi mentioned that Naira Marley Sam Larry have anything in the buying of Mo. The only person she has mentioned is take your trophy. Now you have buyed. They should take their trophy. Who are the they? We don't know. Next is when Adura said, Cynthia told him, when the judge in the coroner inquest asked him, who would you think buyed mohbad? He then said, Primeboy. But you were not there. Why do you say that? Cynthia told me. So, we know about people that take your trophy. It was GLB that put the dots together for us. And so it was directed to Naira Marley, Sam Larry, and then eventually Primeboy. In fact, the only person we can say directly Wunmi have said through Adura pied her husband is Primeboy. If I am not correct, panel, please take note of all these points. So those are the people we know. Am I making sense? That Wunmi have said, especially Primeboy. Primeboy, in fact, in the inquest, Primeboy is the suspect. When they went to release Primeboy, the people that released Primeboy were accused by those that know Wunmi that they went to release the suspect, the people that pied mohbad. So it is Primeboy that really Wunmi is holding on to. Now, my husband was messed up mentally. Okay, I passed that. If he had continued speaking publicly about his challenge, perhaps he would still be alive today. I wish he had summoned the courage to come public as many times as he could, but he didn't want anyone to see his vulnerability. He was a gentle and calm soul. Thank God for that. But you regretted. Didn't you regret? If nobody regretted, on your behalf, we all regretted he did that. Then why have you kept quiet of who pied mohbad? If you know that Mohbad's quiet, calm spirit, not speaking up, is what took his life, then you are so sure of what took his life, then why aren't you speaking up? Why did it take you so long to even say somebody? When your sister said it's your best friend, why didn't you put a disclaimer out to debunk it that no, that's not true? You said someone. You said some what? They have been. Who are the people? Who are the they? Targeting me. Who are the they? Who are the they? Now, I wish he had someone. Then you said so. Making a man feel inferior, making him live in fear, assaulting him publicly, amongst other, is what they subjected my husband to. Who are the people? It was Sam Naira Marley. And nobody, no video. Even when Naira Marley was when he was in London, or where was he? In Paris or so place. And he was saying to the Nigerian police for that if they can protect him, he should come back home to Nigeria and help in what? Finding what took the life of Mo. You are alive, Wunmi. Who are you referring to? Who are the people? No video anywhere has shown that at any point did that Naira Marley guy touched mohbad. We saw they bullied him. We saw his boys bully him. We saw they attacked him. We saw the reason for the attack. It was explained at one point or the other. But we never saw Naira Marley. We only heard Lifestyle shouting that Naira Marley is there and his boys, they are hurting Mo. And that video, they said, you people threw into the world for us. They said it took place last year, 2023. Mo died, upper year, 2022. June or so. The one for NDLA, the one for attacking this. But Mo died September, a year, more than a year after, in his home. Is it the same people that came to that home? His case is a case of homicide, because as at the last time I checked, and from what we heard from you people, it was that he went to the hospital and the hospital declared him dead on arrival. So how do we understand that? And we only saw one video of Sam Larry, whom you claim you don't know. He's the only one I even saw him attempt to attack Ayat, Abi, what's that? Abi, you know their names are very funny. Ayat, Abi, what's Alat, Abi, his friend. I was even thinking they were sitting on a wheelchair. I didn't know that. I don't know if they disguised to enter that place. But they sat down, the two of them, we saw elderly women. Then they came from nowhere. And that was what we saw. We didn't see the end. We were told that they reconciled that issue that day. But you claim you don't even know Sam Larry. They asked you. But Sam Larry, when people were, they wanted to lynch him. When they were cursing. After you said, take your trophy, and Gistover told us it's Sam Larry and Co that pied Mohbad. Eventually came out from his hiding place and swore, telling us that we should ask Wunmi, his wife, how much he loves, that you are aware how much he loves your husband. But you are claiming you refuse to acknowledge knowing him. So who are these people you are referring to?